I just gave up and I just smushed it all down and I'm like, whatever. And now it just looks like, okay, so I picked up this cabinet off a marketplace, right? Everybody gets rid of these things because they're metal, they're ugly, nobody likes them, but I think they're very functional and sturdy. So I figured, let me take it, slap some black paint on it so it matches our desks in the office, and good, right? And everything was going well until it wasn't, okay? Just splashed my face, but whatever. Okay, so here's what ended up happening. First thing that went wrong was that when I brought the cabinet down after I had painted the first time, the paint hadn't had enough time to cure. So it was still scuffable, right? That was the first mistake. And then when I put in the shelves, the metal shelves back in, it scuffed the sides, right? I figured it's okay, you know, I can touch that up. Now where I really got frustrated and where this project just kind of like, was when I decided that I am going to beautify this thing. I decided to get some pretty wallpaper and to stick it in the back. Now, mind you, it's not necessary, okay? Not necessary because the books go up there and it covers the whole thing. But I'm like, you know what? Let's make it pretty, right? So, I got the wallpaper in, took the thing back outside. And I had already watched some videos on how to do this. So I'm like, you know what? I can do this. I can't do this. I can't wallpaper. I can't line anything. I mean, I have difficulty wrapping gifts. So why did I think I was going to be able to wallpaper the back of this, you know, bookcase? I do not know. But it went downhill really fast. And at some point halfway through the thing, I just gave up and I just smushed it all down and I'm like, whatever. And now it just looks like, a leather piece with floral print on it. That's what it looks like. I was going to take it all off, but then I left it. I said, let it serve as a reminder to me that, you know, I just don't need to be doing all the things. I should have just left it with the black paint and we would have been fine. From here, right, you look at it from the camera and it doesn't look so bad. So, I mean, you know, if you come to my house, don't go sticking your head in the cabinet trying to see all the imperfections. I mean, you really don't have to stick your head in because there's just bubbles everywhere. But if I ever say I am going to wallpaper something again, this will remind me that I do not want to wallpaper anything. If y'all came to this channel for perfection, let me just warn you, that's not what we're gonna get here, because this is hot mess city. And yeah, I share with you guys more failures than successes, but all right. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for your companionship on our journey. That's it for now. God bless.